In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your TikTok following others too frequently problem. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we need to do is open up TikTok. Then from here, we need to go to our profile, the bottom right hand corner of the page. Then once you're in your profile, we need to go into settings. So that's located top right hand corner, 3 horizontal bars. And then from here, click into settings and privacy. And then from here, we want to scroll down and look for support and about. And under that, there's an option here to click on report a problem. So go ahead and click on report a problem. And then once you're here, we need to go and click under topic. We've got interaction. So click onto that and that's going to give you more options. And now from here, click on where it says follow. Then from here, click on the option of following too fast. And then click no, then click on need more help. Then from here where it says send a message, you want to send something along the lines, hey, I want to fix my TikTok from following others too frequently issue. Alright, so you can kind of copy what I've said here, which just says, hello team, I can't follow people on TikTok anymore. I get an error message saying following others too frequently. Try again later. Can you please help me fix this? So what you want to do is go ahead and click on the send button and give TikTok 24 to 40 hours to give a reply and help you with your issue.